Figs are a keystone species in many tropical forest ecosystems. In the Borneo Rainforest, more than 150 species have been recorded. These fruits are a major food source for wildlife, especially orangutans. Orangutans play a vital ecological role as seed dispersers in the rainforest. They influence both forest regeneration and species diversity. They also have a role in propagation. Many fruit seedlings sprout only after having passed through an animal's digestive system. Orangutans eat more than 400 different plant varieties and spend up to 6 hours a day eating or foraging for food. There is a great deal that a young orangutan must learn in order to survive in the wild. To find fruiting trees, orangutans memorize their locations, track seasonal changes, and also observe the behavior of other animals. Generally, both human and non-human primates have a favorite fruit season. When it comes to durians, sharing is caring.